90mm wooden coffee stirrers, deviations within tolerance. The key to jam-free brewing. DALIAN YADA Industrial Co. Limited covers an area of 16,500 square meters. Before entering the production area, all personnel strictly follow hygiene procedures, ensuring a clean, safe production. Formed 90mm wooden stirrers, 6-hour average barrel polishing. We're free for a smooth, jam-free dispensing. Committed to enhancing the ultimate drinking experience. Post-polishing, stirrers are fed by conveyor straight to bundling. Defects are identified and rejected via high-precision AI visual sorting. Stirrers are bundled to prevent collisions or jams during machine pickup. Machine-aided manual quality control. Strict checks on smoothness and form for perfect appearance. Instant rejection of defects ensures all packaged products meet international export standards. One standard for every order, big or small. All finished products pass metal detection before storage to ensure safety. Post-inspection, unified warehousing ensures clear batching, precise counts, and full traceability. Our 3,150 SQM facility utilizes high bay racking and high lift forklifts, achieving efficient logistics, warehousing, and global fulfillment. Pre-shipment on-site live streamed. Inspections via random raw box sampling. Machine bundled and boxed by Yada Industrial to ensure zero-touch hygiene. 90mm wooden coffee stirrers, tailor-made for automated vending drop systems, guarantees smooth drop and reliable output for automated coffee terminals. Yada Industrial has modern, high-capacity production facilities and is certified by ISO 9001, BSCGS, FSC, GMP, and Sedex, ensuring reliable quality, transparency, and global safety standards.